Hi, I am Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. LinkedIn is a powerful social networking platform that allows professionals to connect, network, and share their experiences and expertise with others. One of the most useful features of LinkedIn is the ability to schedule posts in advance. Scheduling posts in advance can save time, increase efficiency, and ensure that your content is posted at the most optimal time for maximum engagements. In this video, we will discuss how to schedule a post on LinkedIn. So first of all, you need to click on Home tab, and after this, you just need to click on Start a Post. And after this, you need to click on Schedule for Later, and now you can see the icon. And after this, you need to set here the date according to your requirement, and you can also select here the time according to your requirement. And after this, you just need to click on Next. And after this, you need to write here your content. For example, I am just pasting here my content description. And you can use different hashtag according to your requirement. Now I am uploading my video, and now video is available, so just click on video and then just click on done. And here I am just putting here some hashtag confidence, hair care, hair growth, and you can use hashtag according to your content. And finally I am putting here the link for buy, and then just click on schedule, and now it's uploading. Now it will take 1 or 2 minutes, and after this will be uploaded. And now if you want to check your reschedule post, you just need to click on Start Post, and now just you need to click on Schedule for Later. And now you just need to click on View All Scheduled Posts, and now you can see that your post is available. And now if you want to change time, you just need to click on Clock, and if you want to delete this post, you just need to delete this. And if you want to edit this post, so from here you can edit according to your requirement. You can change here from hashtag, you can also change the content, you can also change the link, and you can also change here the time schedule of the posting, and you can also delete this. So hope you understand about how to reschedule post on LinkedIn. So in this way you can save time, and hope you understand all these steps. Scheduling post on LinkedIn is a simple yet powerful feature that help you save time, increase efficiency, and improve engagements with your audience. By following step-by-step guide outlined in this video, you can schedule posts on LinkedIn and take advantage of the benefits that offers. Remember to monitor your schedule post and adjust your content strategy as needed to ensure that you are providing the valuable content to your audience. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.